Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can change your country and the Remitly website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the Remitly website. We have to go to our account, and after going to our account, we have to log in. And after logging in, as you can see in the website section, you will be able to see the icon here. So now you have to choose that which country you are. As you can see now, these all countries are provided here. That which country you want to add. Different types of countries are here. For example, if you want to add United Arab Kingdom, these all information is provided here. For example, I'm going to choose like the France here. So you have to choose the France, and after clicking on this, your country will be changed. So as you can see now, I have choose this one. If you want to choose this one, you can also do that. The Australia is also provided here. You can choose these all here. For example, I'm going to choose Australia. It will take few seconds in converting your country. So you have to wait for few seconds until it convert this. So in this way, you can change your country on the Remitly website. So as you can see now, it's changed. The logo is also changed. The information is also changed. So in this way, you can do that. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can change your country on the Remitly website. So see you guys in the next video.